Hello, everybody. I am the Dr. Jack Fu, coming from Los Angeles, California, USA. I am very honored to be invited by the Congress for the practice in this dramatic event, which is a very successful worldwide academy event of the highest level. I would like to thank Professor Jian Huang, chairman of the organizing community, for the invitation, and also thanks all other leaders and the staff of the organizing committee for their hard work. Without their dedication, the Congress would not have been so successful. I tried my best to listen to this today's Congress while working, and I felt that today's come and every expert come up with their own highest level. It was full of important information because of this. I will try my best to give my lecture today. I will try talk what no one already talked about experience in the treatment of the hypertension and the diabetes. You can ask me for the PPT for this part and talk more treatment and exercise. Because the integrative medicine is people oriented, not disease oriented. It integrated all the treatment method of the traditional Chinese medicine, Western medicine, acupuncture, acupressure, moxibustion, and that can help hypertension and diabetes, as well as Qigong and Tai Chi or other treatment methods. I hope to introduce to all the listeners some treatment and practice method that can be learned in one go. Let me start my presentation. Integrative medicine for hypertension and diabetes. This is my phone number, WeChat number, website. If you need this PPT, please contact me. I can send to you. Spiritual, diet, exercise, Chinese and Western medicine, and acupuncture treatment help lowering blood pressure and diabetes.辟谷, it's a fasting technique, is a good way to solve the problem of both hypertension and diabetes. But in the case of diabetes, there need to be individual allowance. Yang style Tai Chi is very good the therapy for both diabetes and high blood pressure. Because the integrative medicine is including all the treatment, especially traditional Chinese treatment, follow the body, and also they not only treat the disease. That's why the integrative treatment, they can use the exercise, they can use the acupuncture and every method. That is our point. I believe these 2 days already a lot of the teachers, they already talk about how use the Chinese medicine, acupuncture, treat the diabetes and high blood pressure. So today I will more introduce about how use the practice, exercise to help with it. Hypertension. we already know a lot of people have hypertension. But for this part, I think I want to explain a little bit why we have the hypertension. Basically, for my understand, I feel it's a blood vessel need more protein, vitamin C, vitamin E, and calcium in the blood vessel. Blood vessel will slowly lose elasticity, making it difficult to transport blood. If the blood fat and the cholesterol are too high, resulting in too high blood vessel, many attachments will be deposited on the blood vessel, and the speed of the blood flowing will slow down. That is the most important reason. What's happened that the Chinese medicine, the Western doctor always told you if you have high blood pressure, then you have to keep eat the medicine, control your pressure for the whole life. But never you think about it, why you have high blood pressure. Why pressure high? Beginning you have the pressure high, actually it's your body by themselves adjusted. Why? Because when you body the head, feeling the blood flowing not enough, the fingers, toes, they far away with the heart, they pump the blood, not enough go this part. The body feel it, so body beginning adjusted, they making the blood pressure is higher. If you eat the medicine, force the blood pressure, the lower. Actually, it is that really good for the body? Because even beginning you have the high blood pressure, that's not the disease. That's just the body adjusted. You need to find it why they have high blood pressure. Long story too short, it's basically I feel because the blood flowing too slow, not enough, send enough blood to your head, to your toes, to your hands. That is the reason cause your high blood pressure. So if you want to change the blood flowing, you have the 2 points you can do. First, restore the elasticity of the blood vessel. Second, reduce the substance in the blood vessel and increase blood viscosity. Basically, you take off all the trash. A lot of attachment, they go away, then your blood will very easily through you the blood vessel. That's a key. So for this part, if you understand this, then we can use a lot of the different way to treat that. For the Chinese medicine, actually, long time ago, they don't test the blood pressure. They don't have the high blood pressure, these words. They only have symptoms. What's the symptoms? The example, like you, even long time ago, Chinese medicine don't have the blood sugar, this works too. They don't have machine tested the numbers. They just, when you hunger, they feel you have to eat. When you eat the food, your blood sugar is balanced. Also, you don't feel hungry anymore. So that is basically traditional Chinese medicine, they treat the symptoms. So that's why when high blood pressure, when you have the headache, the tinnitus, the headache, the heart out of balance, and you cannot get a good sleep, this type of the symptoms, then the Chinese medicine from yin and yang, they think this is a liver yang too much, and the tablets or the wet mucus too much going up. So if you take some Chinese herb, balance that, then you're still feeling better. The symptoms out, then you feels better. Actually, same time they drop down your blood pressure. That is the principle with that. For this part, I believe a lot of the other experts, they already explaining. I want to save the time for this. But I want to talk about is the Bigu. The yin and yang balance, a lot of teachers already talk about the spleen yang, the deficiency, and the kidney yang weak, the liver too high, the yang too much. That's all it's medicine, the Chinese medicine principle. But I want to tell you, except you take the herb, balance you also for the any high blood pressure. You have high blood pressure, this person, most important, that's why I put it in front. If you can keep the calm, the spiritual spirit, and you keep calm, happy, that will help you release your stress. That's actually drop down your blood pressure. Also, your food, if you're doing the very good the diet, that's very important, even more than important than the herb balance you. The herb or treatment, that's the last step. Sleep, very important too. If you can get the good, then if you want to get that balance, you can use the exercise too. That's no any side effect too. Chinese medicine already much better than the Western medicine, don't have too much side effect, but exercise totally no side effect. They only help you. And also have one very good way called the fasting. It's a very good way to help you the diabetes and the hypertension, especially hypertension. If you're doing the Bigu, that's moment for sure. From beginning the first day, your blood pressure already naturally will drop down. Why? Because if you don't eat anything, only drink a lot of water, like I did the Tai Chi Bigu, you're doing some Tai Chi in the fasting. And also we use the water fasting. You only drink a lot of water, you don't eat anything. Like last time I did the 28 days fasting, the Bigu, and I lost 35 pounds. And every day you totally like normal work. Most important is you have to do special exercise, special Qigong. They can keep you no any symptoms, no any tired, and very easy through the hunger. First 3 days after, you almost don't have any feeling, and you totally naturally work. They will help you to get the very good result. Any high blood pressure, when you beginning with fasting first day, you don't need to take herb. Why? You think about it. You drink a lot of water. That's different. Second, you don't take any salt. The pressure very easy drop down. And third, you do some exercise. Your blood flowing changed. That's a change much better than you use a herb change that. So regular, you don't need to take any herb. So for the hypertension, the fasting is really very good way. A lot of principle you can watch it because of time. You can watch it. This already told you the principle, but I told you the most simple the principle, and most important when you do the fasting, you don't do it by yourself if you don't too much know the principle or the technique, because fasting Bigu not is you just straight don't eat. That is you have to feel the qi strong enough, you naturally don't want it. That's the key. But how can make you the qi really the strong and the don't need the eat? That's you have to exercise, doing some special qigong exercise. I have the 6 special the fasting qigong that can help everybody don't feeling any hunger, then they can list through the 2 weeks the fasting very easily. And everybody one day almost lost first few days the 2 pounds one day, and the after 1 week it's regular 1 pound one day. Not only the weight loss, it's Also, it's detoxing your body. Really take off all the trash with your blood vessel, with your whole body. That's really can help you the hyperpressure. Here have a lot of different treatment too. Before I want to stand up to teach you how to do the hyperpressure, the fasting, the Qigong, or some exercise, I want to quickly introduce to you example. If you do acupuncture, it's a very good way. Like the Dong acupuncture, you can use the Xinlin, Sansen in your foot, the 3 needles, and 火炬、火莲、火伞. That's the quickly can temporarily drop down your high blood pressure. And also a lot of traditional acupuncture points work very well too, like the Taijiquan, like the 竹山里, and also that's called the flat needle. That's maybe a little new for American, but in China already use 44 years. From the beginning with the flat needle, the treatment, they beginning treat a lot of pain. Which part pain, they put the flat needle, they broke it, the high pressure, the part, the fascia will release, then will help any type of pain. That is a flat needle treatment. But second type, the flat needle treatment, they beginning treat the muscle beginning and ending and the tendons, that's help. The third type of the flat needle treatment, that is a Central Lu, he make it. Right now the chairman in China, he make it the principle. It's he treats the control this muscle, the nerve. That's why they even can treat the high blood pressure, because he find it the nerve from here. The inside have the nerve, big nerve, and also here they control you active and you control you calm down the nerve in here too. When you treat here, then your body will be calm, will be changed. So if you use the acupuncture needle, if you know the principle, this will work too for the high blood pressure, maybe a little new treatment. The traditional, I don't want to say too much, like the 竹山里、阳陵泉, and also for the somebody they even don't know acupuncture, you still can use the acupressure help. Here I have a lot of point. I don't have time to exactly told you, but you can watch my PPT, ask my PPT. You follow this very easy. The foot have the point, the hands have the point. That's all. You can press on it, and they very naturally can lower your high blood pressure. And also the traditional acupuncture, the 合谷太冲曲池风池, that's all it's be proved and a lot of research. Also, you can use electric needles, even better, the stronger. moxibustion, that's work too. And you can use different 百会涌泉, and also you can use the sock, the cupping, it's work too. And also ear, the treatment. That's all it's common for the Chinese acupuncturist. You can follow my PPT, that's always work. And also the bleeding treatment, that is good too. It's because high blood pressure, they too much the heat. The bleeding treatment work very well too. But in American, you better careful. Also the head needle have a lot of the research about this. You just follow my PPT, you will see it. This treatment, cutting treatment, you cannot do it in American, but you can understand a little bit. But you can put the small the points, the sticky, that is the acupoints, that will work. Okay, so this part, you just follow my PPT. But right now, I want to spend time really introduce about how to exercise for the high blood pressure. This paste. For the hypertension, the exercise. First one, you can do the parallel your foot, whole body relax, just shaking. Use your knee, bounce your body. This is the most simple one. Why are we doing this? 3 reasons. First reason, experience. Long time ago until now, we still do it. Second reason, your body like what? 1 bottle pill. If you can see inside, maybe not very even, the small pills. But you shake, then stop, they much more even. The third reason we call magnetic. Your body have magnetic, Earth have big magnetic. I will introduce this. You can always shaking. Then you will balance your magnetic, match with the natural. Then you get the energy transfer. You can very quickly feeling calm down, relax. Also, you can feel in the qi. If you keep doing the 3 to 5 minutes, the hands go to 45 degree out. That will be the help you the slow stop. Do you feel palm tingling, warm, numb, energy flowing? That is if you follow me do it, everything you can immediately feel it. This is the first one, help your hyperpressure exercise. Second one, the hyperpressure exercise, it's for your breeze. Use the abdominal breeze, but it's not the opposite. It's inhale, bigger tummy. Exhale, smaller tummy. In, bigger, the lower abdominal. Out, more small abdominal. Okay, so you can do in, out, in, out, in, out. That can release the blood pressure too. The second one. The third one, help the hyperpressure. That is a straight help you hyperpressure exercise. They call I have the 6 different special work for the hyperpressure exercise. Everybody did. Maybe the 20 minutes you doing this, then your blood pressure for sure will drop. Of course, Tai Chi another way, they can do it too. So stand one leg this way, please follow me. Stand one leg, your balance very good, but careful, okay? You need to find something can hold. You careful. Now please close your eyes, then beginning count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You find it much harder. If you're over 10, that means your body over 60 years old, you can pass this test. Okay. If you want, you will like to try the both leg. You stand another leg, and this time you stand very good. Why are we doing this? Because when you're doing this, the foot work very well. They will catch the blood flowing, go to your foot. The liver and the kidney out of balance with the yin, the blood qi going up. This will bring your qi going down. So this even help you the headache, help you the dizzy, help you the calm down your body. Pressure will drop down. You can try it. If you don't want to close your eyes, you have to do this way. You can quickly turn, 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 turn. Still, if you can count about 10, then you're good. If you're doing this well, your balance good. Also, they drop down your high blood pressure because this is quickly made your legs strong, help you balance, also making your blood pressure going down. Simple but work. For the high blood pressure, also I have the small circle exercise. In front the mai, back is the du mai. If you're doing the in front with back, if they circling, then that will really help you quickly balance your body. A lot of people know the small circle. This called 小周天. They call the overthrow your small circle. That is a very high level the Qigong, but not too easy. But I have the good way from one generation to another generation. If you follow me do it, we step by step teach you. Take about 6 minutes for one time. Then you can feel it. The small circle be slow. That's also can help you the high blood pressure too. So you doing it, that will be really help you. I don't have time doing all. I only can show you. I need a lot of time to explain to you how to do this. That takes a little longer. But if you really do this, your high blood pressure will drop down too. That's just another way to doing the high blood pressure. Also, important, like we said, when we do the fasting, after you don't eat, but you don't want to feel hunger, they will help you the high blood pressure too. Important you drink a lot of warm water. When you drink a lot of warm water, your blood flowing will change better. Also, you don't want feeling any hunger and you don't need to eat. Because body, right now, everybody is overeat too much the food, especially our enjoying it. So if you want to change that, that's work for me and work for a lot of my students. Everybody join my fasting class. We're doing about 1 month every time, and follow me to do it every day, 7 o'clock at night. We together practice, and you study with me, your pressure every time drop down. You know, like acupuncture, you did acupuncture, immediately pressure drop down. But blood pressure, it's up and down, up and down. If you want for long-term control, then you need to pay attention your food, pay attention your sleep, pay attention, use some of the, like the vitamin, like we said, vitamin C, vitamin E, all the different things can help you. And also you need to eat a little bit Chinese herb that can help you better for you, the blood flowing. Example like the 丹参、山楂、花旗参, that's all type that they can help. Exercise, most important, because there's no any side effect. So if you follow me, if you really want big change with your body, the fasting is a very good way, because the fasting kind of like the turn off your computer, then restart. They rebuild up the food habit, rebuild up the whole body, the system. So that will help you to totally change your body. Most important right now, the spring, it's the best way help you balance your liver and detoxing your body. When your body detoxing, think about it, the blood vessel inside that's attached a lot of the bad trash on your blood vessel. If you're doing the fasting, they force them digest it. They force them use your body, lose it. Everybody lose a lot of weight. Follow my style, they always lose with the tummy. I used to, it's a 235 pounds, 237 pounds, most heavy that moment. And one time the fasting, we lose the 35 pounds. That's always happen. Of course, high blood pressure, if very long time the high blood pressure, maybe need the 2 or 3 times, even a little more. Build up your habit, and also you need to control your food too. So how to do that? I don't have enough time to teach you everything, because we have the 6 special Qigong for the high blood pressure or the fasting exercise. High blood pressure is 6 different Qigong. The fasting 6 different special Qigong. Right now I can teach you one most simple one. If you want, don't too much hunger, it's very simple. Just doing like the slick with your body, like your tummy, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your tummy moving like stick, moving like stick. So move your tummy inside like stick. When you hunger, you do this. Immediately, they beginning digesting your inside, and also they change your feeling. You don't feel hunger immediately. So this is a very good way. Of course, if you really do it, you can do it up like this. Inhale, then 1, 2, 3, drop. Or you inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. When you do fasting Qigong, you can do in the opposite, the breathing, because anything inhale bigger, exhale small, then calm down your body. If you anything inhale small, exhale bigger, that's active your body. That's just burning more calorie. So different work with a different Qigong. This is just a very simple introduce for the high blood pressure. Later, I will introduce a little more with the diabetes, the exercise. So we will doing exercise again a little bit later. We will talk about the diabetes. The diabetes we will do about the diabetes. It's a totally same like we know, same like spiritual, diet, exercise, Chinese medicine with the integrative medicine. You have to match every part. Then you can really treat the diabetes. We know the principle about the principle here already. Actually use the medicine, it's a last part. We better not use the medicine. We better only use the spiritual, balance you, control your food, and the sports that already made your body heals. That's the best. For the diabetes, because actually diabetes coming from you overeat. Now everybody is overeat. People don't need that much the food or that much the energy. You overeat, then you cannot digest it very well. So right now, if for the diabetic people, you have to pay attention and lose the copper and add up a little bit the protein, even a little bit fat, but cannot over the fat. Also cannot eat too much salt, no good for the high blood pressure too. And the drink, a little bit drink actually can drop down your high blood pressure, but more drink for the diabetes you cannot drink basically, and you better eat more beans. So basically principle you have to reduce your calorie, reduce your the carb, reduce your the social fat, and the increase vegetable and fruit to increase the fiber. So if you lose weight, that's real better for the diabetes. That's why the fasting is very good too, detoxing and control your weight. But for the case by case, have to research. When you do the fast, when you do the Bigu, for the diabetes, you have to see which type of the body, have to case by case. Also, all the time watch your blood sugar. The principle, it's a yin deficiency, you have to 枸杞山药. The qi deficiency, 茯苓人参黄芪. And also a lot of vegetable can help you the thirsty, and you can use different made you the qi increase, and that's all balance you. For the exercise, I will put in the last part, not now. I first talk because we don't have enough time. So the principle is this yin lose too much, the kidney deficiency, spleen deficiency, especially spleen yang deficiency. That is a principle, and also it's most people have either with the upper elevation or the middle elevation or the lower elevation, then have different symptoms like the thirsty, like the hunger, like the urine too much, or the different type have different symptoms. Sometimes too hot with your stomach, then you very easy hunger and also sweat, body constipation, kidney deficiency, then too much the pee, the sore, low power, sex drive drop down a lot. How to treat it? Acupuncture worked very well. This researched, so you can use different type. You can use different needles, like the upper, middle, and the lower. Use different upper 少府、心腧、太渊. Middle is a 肋庭 stomach, and kidney 三阴交 spleen 腧. Then the lower is 太溪、太冲. It's a liver and kidney basically. It's a different technique too. This I believe other teacher already introduced, and the moxibustion is very good too. It's give you the yang because most principle it's a spleen yang deficiency, and the ear needle that's work very well too because this is a long-term problem, not just a one day like the pain or immediately have to release. Dong acupuncture 的上三华、下三黄、通肾、通胃、通背 and made some bleeding. That is a work too. So that is basically different acupuncture, different treatment. They always work. Even the acupressure or the press some points, they always can balance a little bit. But this is a long-term problem. So diabetes, I still see some people with diabetes, if you do fasting, it's very well. Because like we said, you have to use good sleep, balance your spiritual, not too much stress, and the food, not the weight, and the exercise. For the exercise, that is Tai Chi, it's the best for the diabetes. That's already been proved. Also, Qigong, it's a regular easy to learning. So right now, I will introduce some the Tai Chi and the Qigong for you. Then you can, any other part, you can watch my PPT. Diabetes, because they match with your lung problem, the upper innervation, middle innervation, your stomach, spleen, the lower innervation, your kidney, including the liver. So for the first part you practice for the lung, the easy way is inhale, then drop, put the words with the s, read the words s, push the back, the upper part, the T3, T4, inhale, drop, this help your lung. Then for the stomach, spleen, especially for the pancreas. Where is the pancreas? It's a 中脘, here and here the middle. So you can do the massage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. And also you can run your belly button doing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In left corner, push harder, help your constipation. 6. Every part you can do 6 times. That's a massage. That's help you a lot too. That is basically for the, also for the stomach, spleen, you can do the 峨眉, hold the sun and moon. Push your palm root down. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, stand up. Open the eyes, lift your mouth. Try your best. Inhale, then release. Feeling qi going up and going down. 勇气法. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Watch your other side. Try your best. Open your eyes, lift your mouth. Totally breathe in. If you follow me, push your palm root up and down. And totally breathe in. Then last moment, hold it. Release. You can feel the qi go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. This is called the 峨眉, hold the sun and the moon, help you the stomach, spleen too. And for the, especially for the diabetes, have one special qigong. It's so simple. You have to remember from this part to this part. This is 中脘, middle. The tap the finger. Why? Because pancreas is under this part. Liver and the stomach lower, inside, deep. So like this. In mind, read the wake up your pancreas, wake up the spleen, like that. Wake up, 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 wake up. Simple, but work very well. A lot of time, the pancreas beginning work, then your diabetes will change. So this is tap, Qigong. And also, for the liver, the help your liver, right side is your liver. Get the energy in the natural, then put in your right side. Read the words. Grab your liver, the bed sense, get out to the ground. So this is from the 6 words, help you the liver, and also like the one, grab the bed sense, get out your body, match together. Simple, get the energy, then put in your right side, read the words, to the ground. And the deep breathe in, totally breathe in, 吸满而呼进, then exhale. Tradition, you don't need to make any sound out, just use the qi. Inhale. Third type, open, read the words, 虚. Change. Other side. That's all can wake up and help outside gallbladder, inside liver. That's all can help. And the last part, the lower intervention, it's a kidney. Kidney most simple, just a massage. Massage your kidney. Massage your kidney. Wake up your chi and up and down. Or a lot of different exercise. Get the chi, go in the kidney. Or any movement, like the 5 animal exercise, the dare, they help you the kidney too. Or the 8-piece silk, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Anything move on the lower back, they warm up your kidney. That's help you too. Every doctor most need wake up your body, because every day we touch the weak people. So if you're not enough strong, you easily get infected. So I will recommend you try your best to join us doing some Tai Chi or Qigong. We are doing online every Sunday morning. Welcome you. Go with me. Right now I just try my best. Even I'm very busy, I still keep do it for myself. That is important. Most help the high blood pressure and diabetes, the work, it's Tai Chi. Why? Because the Tai Chi is working on your spine. Tai Chi calm down your body, made your nervous system down. Also, Tai Chi has a soft, slow movement. And also, Tai Chi is an internal form. What's the internal form? It's totally follow the chi moving your body, not the regular Tai Chi. If you're doing the regular Tai Chi, just a movement, that's called gymnastics. You have to follow your inside feeling, then doing Tai Chi is different. Straight, most help you the diabetes, the movement in the Tai Chi, it's a peng, lü, you're feeling the T, the 8, 9, 10, 11, move, that's very good. Then touch, remember core your body. When you core your body, you're feeling push back, then push out. When you finish, you're feeling the back, push that side. Then come, inhale, push up, exhale. Then change to another side, go another side, it's the same, peng, lü, touch, core your body, 举, an. That's traditional Tai Chi, use your spine, because Tai Chi, the top head going up and the whole body twist, like the spine working on your body. Like the whole fascia pull up all the organs, because organ older, they drop. They pull up and twist, move, and also calm down, feeling the lateral, very relaxed. That's the work. Make your body match with the lateral. That's really help you. But have to do real Tai Chi. Last part, you contact me, I send you Tai Chi, really young style Tai Chi start for you. I don't have time, I only can do quickly for you, we don't have time. like Yang style Tai Chi. Scan your body, each part going down, 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 totally relax, cross palm, put side. Then go, grab toes on the ground, straight your knee, raise bottom, use inside, push your arm up, like 10 very thin string, pull up, until a little above your shoulder, then stop, open back, circling with your body, stay, twist the finger forward, shoulder, elbow, palm, root, bend your knee, same time, relax shoulder, chest, stomach, waist, hip, butt, finally until ankle, check your chi under your palm, then throw to the ground. This is basically real Yang Tai Chi style. I have detail I can send to you. Thank you. Hope you use the integrative medicine, different exercise, different treatment, control your food, make you spiritual, the more balance, help you hypertension and diabetes. Thank you. This is Dr. Fu in Los Angeles.